In this demo, we'll take you through the steps required to be done to submit your tax saving declaration. Tax saving declaration is an essential activity if you are falling in the taxable bracket. This is to be done in the beginning of the financial year, in the month of April. You can submit your tax saving declaration only when the window is opened by your payroll manager. When the window is opened, you will get an email and also a alert on the dashboard like being highlighted here. If you click on the alert, you'll be navigated to the tax saving declaration page. Tax saving declaration is only applicable for employees who are on old regime. All you need to do is just select the tax savings which you plan to do. For example, if you want to invest in LIC, at this stage you do not need to provide any proof. You can put the various planned tax savings, 50,000 in equity linked saving schemes. And if you have any specific remarks to update, you can do the same. Once you click on submit, your declaration will be submitted. You'll be able to make changes to this declaration till the window is open, which is in this case till 22nd of October. In the month of January or February, depending upon your company, you will be required to provide the proofs for all the tax savings you have done. You will get a notification on email and also on the dashboard as shown here to provide your tax saving proofs. Click on update, or you can go via the payroll declarations tab. You would see the declarations you had done, and if you have declared house rent, you'll also be required to provide the rent receipts. If there are some tax-free components in your salary, you will also required to provide the supportings for those. So let us go in a step-by-step manner. So you might have actually saved more than the declaration, which you can update here. If you have not yet done the saving, but you will be doing the saving in the next month before the end of the financial year, you can provide the comments here. Whenever you upload a supporting, you will see the green icon using which you can download the supporting you uploaded, or you can delete and change the supporting. In case you have not done and are not planning to do a particular tax saving, you can click on delete to delete the row. You can also select new heads you might not have selected in the initial declaration period and provide the details. Remember to click on save whenever you update a row. By default, the system will show you the receipt value which is equal to your annual rent. If for any reason your receipt value is higher or lower than this amount, you can change it or you can just override it. You can also zip the files in one file and upload the zipped file. If you do not have receipts for any head, like explained earlier, you can leave it blank and you will be able to provide the supportings if the process is released again for you. Click on submit. As you can see, the status for each line item has been changed from pending to submitted.